Mathematics Subject Enrichment Activity. My name is Piyush Lal. I am a student of class 10th Kendriya Vidyalaya Araria. I have made this project under the guidance of our mathematics subject teacher, Mr. Subrat Kumar Sethi. My project is on 6th chapter of our NCERT textbook, which is triangles. This chapter mainly deals with similarity of triangles. In earlier classes, we have read about congruency of triangles. Here is the difference between similar and congruent figures. Two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Whereas two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. So we can say that all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Now, talking about similarity of two polygons, we can say that two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. For example, any two squares are similar since their corresponding angles are equal, that is 90 degree, and their lengths are proportional. Now, moving towards what the chapter is mainly about, similarity of triangles. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. For example, here triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar as their corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, angle C equals angle R, and their corresponding sides are proportional. That is, AB upon PQ equals BC upon QR equals AC upon PR. Now, moving towards the first theorem of this chapter, which is Thales' theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Thales' theorem states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So, what we are given with is a triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC and DE intersects AB and AC at D and E. For proving, now we have to prove AD upon DB equals AE upon EC. For proving this, we do some constructions. We join BE and CD and draw EM perpendicular to AB and DN perpendicular to AC. Now moving towards our proof, for proving AD upon DB equals AE upon EC, we first showed area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE equals AD upon DB, and area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC equals AE upon EC by using the formula to find area of triangle, which is 1 by 2 into base into height. Then we showed triangle BDE and triangle DEC are equal in area. From these three equations, we proved that AD upon DB equals AE upon EC. This was the Thales theorem. At the moment, we will see its converse. Converse of Thales theorem states that if a line divide any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Here we are given a triangle ABC in which a line DE intersects AB at D and AC at E, such that AD upon DB equals AE upon EC, and we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. For proving this, we use contradiction method. We will let DE is not parallel to BC. Then we construct another line which passes through point D and is parallel to BC. This line is DE dash. By Thales' theorem, AD upon DB equals AE dash upon E dash C. But as given, AD upon DB equals AE upon EC. So we can say that AE dash upon AE dash C equals AE upon EC. By adding 1 on both sides, we showed that AE dash C equals EC. Now, looking at the figures, we can say that it is only possible when E and E dash coincide. DE dash it will be parallel to BC by our construction, hence DE will be parallel to BC. There are mainly three criteria of similarity of two triangles: AAA, angle angle angle, SSS, side side side, and third SAS, side angle side. Angle 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 criteria of similarity of two triangles. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. AAA criteria can also be stated as if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. This is because if two angles of a triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then by angle sum property of a triangle, third angle will be also equal. Therefore, we can say so. Now, I have proved angle similarity criteria in these two slides. Now, the second criteria of similarity for two triangles is SSS, side criteria. It states that if in two triangles, side of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. Proof of this criteria are in the next three slides, and this is the last criteria of similarity of two triangles: side angle side criteria. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. In these slides I have proved this criteria. Now, coming to one of the most famous mathematical contribution, the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that if in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. We are given a right triangle ABC, and we have to prove that AC square equals AB square plus BC square. For proving this, we draw a perpendicular BD on AC. Now, coming on the proof, first I showed triangle ADB and triangle ABC are similar, and from this I derived equation 1, that is AB square equals AC into AD. Similarly, I showed triangle BDC and triangle ABC as similar, then derived equation 2 using it, which is BC square equals AC into DC. After that, I added both the equations and got my result as AC square equals AB square plus BC square. That shows hypotenuse square equals perpendicular square plus height square. This was the last theorem as per the revised syllabus of 2020. Thank you for listening to my presentation.